Hello everyone, what's going on? It's Vijay here. Welcome to my Ultron review. Today I'm very excited about this review because this is a very awesome product. Today I'm going to give you full demo and run through of this product. What does it and how does it work? So stay tuned with me. Basically, the Ultron is a cloud-based application or software which will allow you to generate lead email addresses from Instagram. Not only this, you will also have inbuilt email responder with the Ultron. So this is very good. You will have email lists and as well as you have inbuilt email responders. So you don't need to buy any autoresponders to email lists. Basically, you can email them by using inbuilt email uh, responders from your email addresses. So it's very good. And also you will have a funnel creator. You just click you just can make any funnels in any niche, just one click. It's very awesome, right? So it's very good product for everyone. And so by this product you will get three things: your email leads and inbuilt email responder, and also all the funnels in any niche by one click. So you will have everything. Your customers, you have things to send customers and the email list. So it's a very good product. If this is something for you, if this is something for you to have, so you can go down in the description box. There is first link. You click that first link, you will get the everything. Also, and also I have put some custom bonuses for those who want to buy this product from my links, which I mentioned down below in the description box. So let's start from my bonus page. Once you click that first link in the description box, you will be landed in my bonus page, which will looks like somehow this. This is special bonus page will comes down at 12 p.m. is standard time, Tuesday or on 18th of May. This is my instant bonus page for Ultron. So it says free traffic overnight, display any link in front of 500 million. This is very huge amount of traffic that you're gonna get once you buy this product. And you have to buy this product once before this countdown becomes 0, so that you will have all my bonuses. So let's start. What start with my bonuses. First bonus is you will have access for one case. In this you will have access to promote high ticket product by John Armstrong, which will allow you to get uh, which will allow you to which will allow gonna with which gonna help you to get $850 per sale, which is really good, right? So, and my second bonus is you'll have 500k royalty free music. So you will have access for the 500,000 royalty free music, so that you can use in any of your videos if you want. And my bonus number 3 is you will have a secret traffic source that puts Alton on storage. So this is very valuable product as well. You will have that secrets. Sorry, you will have secrets of the traffic sources that you can boost your Ultron more than before. So this is also very valuable product. My fourth bonus is you will have access for SEO Studio. So in this you will have access to put your page in the top of Google search. So in this way, if you are in the top of your if your page is on the top of Google search, you will have more traffic, and if you have more traffic, you will have more commissions. So in this way, you will have more traffic with this as well. And my fifth bonus is special bonuses that the vendor gives to me to give to you. And if you like these bonuses, you can click any of these yellow buttons to have access for all these bonuses that I mentioned just before. This is very valuable product for those who want to buy this and who want to boost their business up. These all are the things that how uh, what is Ultron all about. So we have put together on this concept to automate the traffic experts have been doing manually. Just put Tesla. This is things you can read in yourself. So these are the upsells that I will let you know this in few minutes. Let's into the sales page. So sales page, once you click that yellow buttons, you will come down here in the sales page, which looks like this, which says free traffic overnight. Display any link in front of the 500 million buyers at the press of button. So this is one robot guy which use this platform. This actually works. I was offered to test drive Ultron and I made $392 in profit on the same day. So this is very good that he experienced with this Ultron. So this is the testimonials that you can see and you can check it out in your own time. This is very long page. These are the testimonials, and once you come to this page, once you click this button, you will have access. You will have access for this awesome product. It's Ultron, and also all my bonuses that I mentioned below. Click that button. You can go through all these pages. So you will have knowledge about this product, and it will be good for you before purchasing this product. Get to this in time, and this is then the page. Okay, so once you click this access button, you'll have access for this product as well as my bonuses. And once you purchase this product, you go just to your plus and click your ID. This page there, you'll have you go to the product, and once you be there, you can see this yellow button there in the thanks page. Once you click it, once you click this blue button, you will have instant access for all these bonuses that I mentioned below before, and this is all free even if you buy the front end of this product, which is only $16 with income in downsells you'll have in only $93. So to get this, once you come in the sales page, and when you try to get it from there, you will have one pop-up. So it's like this. Just before we had that, once you try to get out from here, you should have one pop-up, and once you click that, you will have that funded in downsells $12.93 only. And once you have this, even if you buy this, you'll have all that access for all my bonus that I mentioned below, which is very valuable product bonuses that I mentioned. And let's jump into, and there are options as well. So options number one, Ultron unlimited, which is $47, and now in downsells $27, which will allow you to unlock all premium results of Ultron super results your Ultron account to 100 times profit twice as fast with unlimited edits, and remove all the limited and get traffic and get unlimited commissions. Option number two is Ultron done for you, which comes in $197 and downside $97, which will generate 100% hands-free income while you do all the work for you and enjoy your luxuries as your experts team will work with you and one-on-one to run profitable done for you campaign unlike anything else you have seen the marketplace. So these are the things. And option number three is also monetization. It will comes in $97 and downside $47, which will turns the traffic you're generating into the profits. You can enjoy $1,000 per days with the high ticket commissions done for you, and done for your funnel, done for your offers proven to convert, done for your bonuses to optional offer also limited traffic, so it comes in $147 in downsell $67. This in this you will have to tap into your personal diamonds and sources to viral traffic and the limited sales and commissions. So the upsells number 5 is Ultron franchise. It comes in $77, and then down sales you will have in $47. It will allow you to sell Ultron while keeping the commission plus guarantee approval as well, and get with $640 per visitor you send us. So this is very valuable for you as well, I think. Once you get this franchise, you can sell this product. You can sell this Ultron while keeping the commission plus guarantee approval as well, and you'll also get paid up to $640 per visitor you send to them. So it's very valuable, I think. So let's come into the sixth option number 6. It says Ultron accidental discovery, so it's $67, and in downside is $37. This will allow you to accidental discovery by Ultron beta testers pocket some additional $100 in 200 days. So this is what the options are. Let's come into the member area. So member area looks like this. You can watch this demo video here before starting, and there are the upgrades if you want to upgrade your purchase. And these are the new campaigns that you can make a new campaign from here as well. So let's see new campaign, what it is. So this way you can make a new campaign if you want, and there are also the campaigns done for you campaigns if you want to have this. So here is the things you can set a campaign from and just put your just click link your email Instagram ID here and start your new campaign with scratches. And there are also some done for you campaigns as well. If you want, you can use this done for you campaign also for the best result. And also if you want to change, you can change that done for you campaign as well. So these are the done for you campaigns, which there are lots of done for you campaigns. So you can check it if you want, and you can view this campaign or delete this campaign from here. Let's view this 1, 2, 3 campaign. What is it? So if you want to edit, you can edit this campaign. You can export this campaign, export this campaign as a PDF file, and also delete these campaigns if you want. So these are the these few campaigns. If you want, you can use this campaign as well. And let's see, let's go into email setting. If you come here in the email setting, you will see that you can connect your email address here to use that inbuilt uh, email responder from here. You can send from here your all the emails if you want, like a autoresponders to. So you have this as well. You don't need to buy any autoresponders from here. If you purchase this, you will get also the email responder. You don't need to purchase any autoresponders. So this is also very good things in this product. There are some done for you videos. If you want to use this video, you can use it like this. It's very slow. Let it load it up. So these are some videos if you want to use this. So these are some videos which you can use in your marketing as well. So you can use it in your own way. And there are some email. These are the funnel builder. Yeah, in this build you can build any funnel in any niche with single click. So this is the best part of this applications, that you will have to uh, so there are lots of templates which you in any you can use any templates you can use here for your business. And you can click you can just watch this video with, they will teach you how to make the funnel in just one click. So there are the lots of templates that you can use, and there are training as well. They will train you how to do this. So these are the trainings that they're gonna give you, how to use, how to make the funnels, everything. And there are similar pages, find similar pages, Instagram posts. You can see here, these are the how you can put the Instagram post and the similar pages. In this you will see how you can find the similar pages in the Instagram. So these are the things that you're gonna see in Ultron. And I hope if you like this video, just click the like button and subscribe my channel. And if these are really valuable and my bonuses are really valuable to you, you can click the first link in the description box that I mentioned there, and you will have all the access. You will have instant access to all my bonuses, and as well as uh, you will have access for the alternate bonuses there, which are really valuable. So thank you very much. Nice day. Bye.